There's something strange about walking around a town you've known for years. You stop seeing it the way a stranger would see it. To somebody passing through, this is just Portsmouth, Ohio, a small city along the Ohio River. Old buildings, empty storefronts, traffic lights, people going to work, people going home, nothing particular, unusual. But when you lived around a place long enough, you don't just see what's there, you see what used to be there. I can walk past a building and remember when something completely different was inside. I can drive down a street and remember what it looked like 20 or 30 years ago. Businesses disappear, buildings come down, people move away, and somehow, while all of that is happening, you're getting older too. Maybe that's why places like this start feeling different as we age. The town is changing, but so are we. Portsmouth has certainly had its struggles, like a lot of towns along the Ohio River. This was once a place built around industry, factories, railroads, river traffic, good paying jobs. For generations, people would come and build an entire life without ever leaving this area. Then much of that changed. Factories closed, jobs disappeared, people left looking for opportunities somewhere else. There are still people walking these streets. There are still families raising children here. There are still people opening businesses. Still people going to work every morning. Still people sitting on their porches. Still people who could live somewhere else but choose to call this place home. And maybe that's something we don't talk about enough. Why do we become attached to places? Because logically, a town is just buildings, roads, sidewalks, and property lines. You could leave. Millions of people do. You could start over somewhere completely different. But there is something about the place where you spent your life that becomes part of you. Maybe it's just because our memories need somewhere to live. You remember where you went to school, where you worked, where you met people, where you laughed, where you struggled. where people you loved once lived. Eventually, a town becomes more than just a location. It becomes a map of your life. That's what I think about when I walk around Portsmouth, Ohio. I don't pretend that everything here is perfect. It isn't. There are problems. There are buildings that need saved. There are buildings probably beyond saving. There are things I wish had turned out differently. And there are opportunities this area desperately needs.